Hello, and welcome to the future of TV. Here I cover turning your Amazon Fire TV stick into a total media center. This video is part 1 of a 3-part series that covers unpackaging the Fire Stick, putting it together, and activation. The following video, part 2, covers modifying the Fire Stick settings so that you can install third-party software which enables you to utilize other applications not currently found in the App Store. That's also known as jailbreaking. Not only will I show you how to play movies, TV shows, and sports, but also pay-per-view, all for free. Part 3 covers maximizing your Fire Stick's capabilities using new accessories such as Ethernet and flash drive adapters. Out of the box, the Fire Stick comes with 6 primary parts: the Fire Stick, the remote, the USB cable with power adapter, and the HDMI adapter, which allows for better positioning for wall-mounted TVs. Lucky for us, Amazon included the batteries for the remote. So with that said, try to follow along. If you get behind, just pause the video and catch up. Let's begin the activation. Upon plugging in the Fire Stick to the HDMI port, we should see something similar to this. With your batteries in your remote, you should be able to press the home button. You'll see a blinking light on the remote, and then the play button. Whatever language you want to select. Throughout this process, the Fire Stick might restart a couple of times. That's just to install updates, make changes, whatever it needs to do. So right now we're installing an update. So if you have other Amazon devices on your network, it should automatically detect your Wi-Fi if you've saved it in the past. I have done that. If you haven't done that, there's the spot I would ask you for your Wi-Fi as well as the password. Since I ordered this Fire Stick off of Amazon, it already had my account on there. If by chance you bought this at Best Buy or somewhere else, you'd have to log into it. So here you can restore other Fire TV apps if by chance you have a previous stick. For this install, we are going to skip. Parental control. It is good to have parental control if you're worried about somebody buying something on the Fire Stick, if by chance you have your credit card or bank card linked to your Amazon account. Other than that, if you're not worried about it, no parental controls. That usually consists of setting up a PIN, and then if you want to install something, you enter in the PIN, and then you'll be able to buy that app. So in this stage, if you have the remote that has the volume buttons on it, the power button for the TV, this is where you would set up that TV. So I have a Sensei TV. We're going to scroll down until we see it. If by chance you have something that's a little more well-known like Panasonic or RCA, it may find it right off the bat, and it won't even ask you to go down through this list. So at this point, we're testing out the remote with the TV. If by chance you're allowed to do the volume works, then we're just going to hit yes. And it's successfully set up. If by chance you have certain apps such as, or paid subscriptions such as Hulu, Netflix, CBS All Access, here's where you could install them automatically. I usually skip this and just install them when I want them. If by chance you have accounts set up for your children, this is where you would get started. Again, I skip this as well. So before I said that it automatically connected to my wireless, at that stage it would also verify it. And we are activated. From here, we can move on to part 2 and install some pretty cool apps that'll give us access to movies, TV shows, sports, anything we want to see without having paid subscriptions. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions, comment below. Thanks.